Welcome back to the best toy review channel on YouTube, JLove's Toys Review. And today we have a special toy by Mr. Blippi himself. One of the best YouTube educational videos that is out right now for kids that he is doing. And we have a 16-inch plush figure. I get up and close so you guys can see it. There's the feet. I'll unbox it for you in a few. Let me turn it over to the back. There's really nothing on the side. It has 15 Blippi sounds and phrases. So let's unbox this before I get right into it. And before I get right into it, please don't forget to subscribe and like JLove Toys Review channel. We can definitely appreciate the support. And one more in the back. And here he is. Whoop, nothing wrong. A few more at the bottom. 1,
2.
And 2, just like Jayla said, 1 and 2. And here goes Blippi. It is available at Target. For the exact price is $19.79. And you can get it on aisle C26. Aisle C26 is a must-have for kids, especially Jayla, because she loves Mr. Blippi. It is for 3 years and up, but honestly, you can get it when your toddler is a little younger than 3. He or she would definitely appreciate it. Yep, Blippi. What color is this here? His shoestring. Is this orange?
Blue.
And blue. Yep. It comes with 2 AAA batteries. So if you hit a stomach, it has the different phrases.
Let's spell my name together.
And there's no assembly acquired.
Blippi.
And you can just keep pressing the stomach, and it will give you more phrases, more sounds, just like Blippi does in his YouTube videos.
No.
This is so cool.
And let me remind you, it's 15 sounds and phrases, and you just press the stomach, and Mr. Blippi will talk to your toddler. A lot of times we only watch Blippi when we're in home or anything like that, but we actually don't have an action figure of Blippi, and she loves it. It is 16 inches long, to be exact. And you can get it at Target. Let me remind you, it's at Target. I haven't seen it at other stores, but I know for sure it's at Target. And make sure you can get it for your toddler. You gonna give Blippi a kiss? Mwah. Kiss for Blippi. You gonna press the tummy?
Much fun.
Press the tummy right here.
Thanks
Press
for
it.
being my friend.
Press it right there. Right there.
Yeah. Anywho,
Oh,
well, see you later.
Bye.
bye.
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you ready to have
What is his name?
fun?
Blippi.
Yeah.
You gonna play with Mr. Blippi?
Yeah,
And Blippi have different toys. He have action figures, toys with trucks, and what else do he have? Other videos that you can actually purchase at Target for your toddler. Especially sometimes we don't have internet connection, they can still interact with Blippi.
I know.
He have the different phrases like "Yeah, good job," "This is going to be so much fun," "Thanks for being my friend," And what I also really like is he spelled his name out, so the kids love that part, and they can actually learn the different names and the different letters. And we're gonna wrap it up for today with the Blippi action figure toy. You gonna say bye, JLove? Give everybody a kissy. And we will be back soon with another toy. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Goodbye.